Good morning. I'm meteorologist Michael White. This is our webcast on fox10tv.com for Monday morning. And if you watched any of our morning news, you know that the only thing we've been tracking is this constant line of rain and storms tracking from southwest to northeast, from the offshore waters of the Gulf to onshore on land. And right now, at the time we're doing this update at 9:10 in the morning, heavy pocket of rain in southern Mobile County between Grand Bay and Bayou La Batre, a thunderstorm around Heron Bay and just to the south of the Mobile Metro. And we also have some moderate rain around the western edge of Baldwin County on our eastern shore from Montrose and Fairhope to Point Clear, with some moderate rain also tracking from Gulf Shores to Orange Beach and near Pensacola. But the heavy rain and storms remain out over open water. That's where the intense lightning and the intense downpours of rain are showing up. Now, the thunderstorm activity that we've dealt with from last night to this morning is along a warm front. That warm front passes through the morning hours, increasing our temperatures and our humidity levels. That warm front is right here where this yellow color contour is located. Behind the warm front, the atmosphere is warm and unstable. Ahead of the warm front, the atmosphere is cooler, drier, and stable. What's going to happen is the temperatures increase, the humidity increases as well. And that's going to put us in an unstable air mass, which brings the chance of severe weather back into the fold as we head in towards this afternoon and this evening. Afternoon highs will actually climb up to 74 degrees, if you can believe that, with the chance of rain and storms pretty much all day long. Unfortunately, the biggest concern from the morning was flash flooding, and we're going to see that risk continue basically for the rest of the day, because we're not really going to see a stoppage in the rain. There will be intermediate gaps, so to speak, as we move in throughout the course of the afternoon, but nothing that's just going to completely dry us out. The main system is still well off to the west across the Lone Star State. This powerful upper-level low and cold front tracks towards the east. The closer it gets to our section of the Gulf Coast, the higher the probability of severe weather will be. The squall line located right here on the eastern fringe of Texas. Ahead of that line, there's the chance of tornadic supercells developing out over the Gulf and tracking on shore. That's our greatest danger for this afternoon. The time window to see that would be from 3 o'clock today to 9 o'clock tonight. After that time window expires, the front knocks on our doorstep, ends the severe weather threat, cools us off, and sort of brings things back to normal as we progress in towards early Tuesday morning. So rain and storms on the Futurecast model basically all day. You get the little gaps throughout the afternoon, but not much. Then as we hit 7 o'clock this evening, that should be the peak opportunity for severe weather, with that system knocking right on the doorstep of our Mississippi counties and then pushing in near I-65 by the time we hit 10 o'clock tonight. And as the line pushes farther eastward, that means areas from Mobile west go dry, but the eastern side of the viewing area is still wet and stormy. But by 4 a.m., everybody will finally go dry, and we'll get some gradual clearing across the viewing area. So highs today will be 74 degrees. Bear in mind, severe weather possible from 3 this afternoon to 9 o'clock tonight. The sky will gradually clear. Lows fall between 47 and 51. The storms end late. And then up on the 7-day planner, we get a nice mix of sun and clouds, seasonal temperatures tomorrow, and plenty of sunshine all the way through Friday. But an Arctic front shows up for the weekend to knock the temperatures down even farther. Highs fall back into the mid-50s for Saturday and Sunday, with an overnight low Saturday night below freezing at 30. That's your webcast. Thanks for watching here on fox10tv.com.